We're counting down the 15 smart hacks that separate frequent flyers from the crowds. From near instant ways to dodge lines and avoid hidden fees, to the digital tricks that spot disruptions before the airport even knows, these proven strategies save hours, money, and stress. Some hacks are simple, others are game changers, even seasoned travelers miss, but together they form a complete airport survival system. Curious what makes number 1? Let's find out, starting with number 15. Number 15. Checking in the moment it opens gives travelers a real edge. Most airlines unlock online check-in exactly 24 hours before departure, and setting a phone alert for that precise moment can make all the difference. Early check-in means access to a wider pool of available seats, often grabbing aisle or window spots before the best options disappear. More importantly, it dramatically lowers the risk of being bumped from an oversold flight. In the last quarter of 2024, U.S. airlines recorded 4,293 involuntary denied boardings, according to the Department of Transportation. Those who checked in late landed at the bottom of standby lists, while early birds secured their place automatically. On legacy carriers like Delta, American, and United, the system prioritizes those who confirm first. This simple habit also spots last-minute schedule changes before chaos unfolds. For frequent flyers, setting a 24-hour alert is not just about comfort, it is about protecting your entire trip from disruption. Number 14. Turning your airline app into a control tower changes the game for situational awareness. By pairing your airline's official app with a flight tracker like Flight Radar 24 or FlightAware, you unlock real-time alerts that beat airport screens by 10 to 15 minutes. These trackers tap directly into ADS-B signals broadcast from aircraft, picking up gate changes, delays, and reroutes before the information hits terminal displays. For example, during a Dallas-Fort Worth ground stop, Flight Radar 24 flagged a gate change at 14:03, while airport monitors didn't update until 14:17. That lead time gave app users a crucial head start, letting them reroute and avoid missed connections while hundreds of other travelers were left scrambling. To get this edge, enable push notifications for both apps and track your flight. With every alert, you are one step ahead, ready to adjust plans instantly, long before the masses even know there is a problem. Number 13. Screenshot everything important before you even leave home. 2 minutes with your phone camera can shield you from hours of chaos if technology fails at the worst possible moment. Frequent flyers know that boarding passes, gate numbers, terminal maps, hotel bookings, and car rental confirmations belong in your photo gallery, not just inside an app. When airline apps crash or airport Wi-Fi drops out, that happened to a traveler at LAX just last year. Screenshots become your offline proof. A passenger faced a frozen app at the gate, but pulled up a saved image and made the flight while others scrambled for help. Remember to update your screenshots if plans change, especially after rebooking or a last-minute gate swap. Having these digital backups means you are never at the mercy of spotty connections or app glitches. In a world where a single technical hiccup can derail your trip, this simple step turns panic into relief. Number 12. Packing a delay-proof personal item turns a travel hiccup into a minor inconvenience. Frequent flyers never board without a small carry-on that contains a full change of clothes, essential medications, phone chargers, and a clear quart-sized bag for liquids that meet the TSA 311 rule, no container over 3.4 ounces, all fitting in a single-liter bag. This kit fits under the seat and passes every airline sizer, usually measuring no more than 18 by 14 by 8 inches. If a checked bag goes missing, you still have everything needed for the first day, from fresh socks to prescription medications, all within arm's reach. SITA's 2024 report found 6.9 bags mishandled per 1,000 passengers, making this backup plan far from optional. A few minutes spent organizing these essentials can save hours of stress and hundreds of dollars in last-minute purchases, letting you move on with your trip while the airline sorts out the luggage drama. Number 11. Pre-download airport and immigration tools to lay the groundwork for a seamless trip. Savvy travelers know airline apps often store boarding passes locally, so even if airport Wi-Fi fails or cell service drops, your pass still appears at boarding. Download airport maps before you leave home so you can find your gate or the closest restroom without searching for a signal in a crowded terminal. For digital privacy, use a virtual private network app to encrypt your data whenever you connect to public airport Wi-Fi, protecting your personal information from hackers. If you are flying into the United States, the Customs and Border Protection Mobile Passport Control app lets you fill out customs forms in advance, ready to submit as soon as you land. By setting up these tools ahead of time, you avoid scrambling at the airport and future-proof your travel against connection issues, app crashes, or network slowdowns. Preparation here means the freedom to focus on the journey, not the technology. Number 10. Using the less obvious security line can save travelers from the frustration of endless queues. At major airports, most passengers instinctively head to the right, creating longer waits on that side of the checkpoint. Production tests at hub airports like Houston and Newark have shown that left side or alternate terminal lines move 20 to 40% faster during peak hours because of this right-hand drift. Business traveler lanes, often marked by fewer families and less baggage, also tend to flow more smoothly. TSA throughput data reveals that a 5-minute walk to a quieter checkpoint can cut wait times by as much as half, especially during the morning rush. While official statistics on left versus right lanes are scarce, frequent flyers consistently report major time savings by simply scanning for the shortest line, even if it is further away. For those willing to walk a little extra, bypassing the obvious option can mean making a flight that others miss. Number 9. Dressing and packing for friction-free screening can turn a stressful security stop into a quick formality. Frequent flyers reach for slip-on shoes, no laces and no buckles, so they glide through shoe removal without fumbling. Jewelry and belts are kept minimal or left in the bag, sidestepping metal detectors that trigger rescreens. According to TSA supervisors, belts and jewelry alone account for about 15% of all secondary screenings, slowing down entire lines. Electronics and liquids go into dedicated pouches, ready to drop in bins without digging through luggage. This preparation is especially important at airports without the newest CT scanners, where laptops and 311 liquids still need to come out. The right outfit, think socks, not boots, and a jacket that slips off easily, means less time at the checkpoint and fewer delays for everyone behind you. Smart packing is not just about comfort, it is about moving through security with the least possible friction. 8th place. Knowing the current battery and electronics rules can mean the difference between breezing through security and losing expensive gear at the checkpoint. FAA and TSA guidelines require that all lithium power banks and spare batteries travel in your carry-on, never in checked luggage. Each power bank must be rated at 100 watt-hours or less, unless you have airline approval. Anything over 160 watt-hours is banned outright. Gas-powered hair tools such as butane curling irons are fully prohibited, no exceptions. In 2025 alone, TSA recorded more than 500 battery confiscations at United States airports, most often from travelers unaware of these rules. Violating the carry-on policy does not just mean a lost charger, it can mean missing a flight while security sorts things out. Always check your airline's specific restrictions, as some carriers impose stricter limits than the federal standard. By keeping batteries accessible and gas tools at home, you avoid last-minute surprises and keep your trip on track. Number 7. Using mobile passport control can transform the international arrival experience for U.S. citizens and Canadian visitors. The Customs and Border Protection Mobile Passport Control app lets travelers submit passport details and customs declarations before even stepping off the plane. At more than 30 major U.S. airports, including JFK, LAX, and Miami, mobile passport control users gain access to dedicated lanes that are, on average, 60 to 70% shorter than standard immigration lines. According to Customs and Border Protection data, this can mean clearing passport control in just 5 to 7 minutes. while regular lines can stretch to 20 minutes or more during peak hours. The app is free, requires only a one-time setup, and does not demand pre-approval or background checks. After landing, users show a QR code from the app to a Customs and Border Protection officer and proceed directly to baggage claim. For anyone without global entry, mobile passport control is the fastest legal way through U.S. immigration, especially when every minute counts for catching a tight connection. Number 6. Having a plan B for tight connections can mean the difference between hours spent stranded and a seamless journey onward. Experienced travelers do not just hope for smooth transfers, they prepare for disruption by identifying alternative flights before leaving home. Most airline apps allow you to search for later departures on your route, and it pays to jot down the times and flight numbers, just in case. Knowing where customer service desks are located in your connecting airport saves precious minutes when every second counts. If a delay starts to look inevitable, use the airline app's call function to reach a representative from your seat, often while still in the air, rather than standing in line with hundreds of others after landing. In one real-world scenario, a business traveler rebooked mid-flight and avoided a 2-hour layover, walking straight to a new gate on arrival. This proactive approach transforms missed connections from a crisis into a manageable detour, keeping your trip on track even when schedules unravel. Number 5. Bringing your own food and hydration plan can completely change the airport experience. Terminal food prices soared by 20% over the past year, with sandwiches now reaching $8 and bottled water often priced at $6 or more. Instead, frequent flyers pack snacks in reusable containers and carry an empty water bottle through security. After clearing the checkpoint, that bottle fills up for free at any water fountain. That simple move saves money on every single trip, but the benefits go beyond your wallet. FAA studies show that staying hydrated can cut jet lag symptoms by 25%, keeping energy up and fatigue down even on long-haul flights. Hydration really makes a difference. Packing your own food also means you are never stuck with limited options during delays or late-night layovers. This strategy meets basic needs cheaply and reliably, and it sets the stage for more advanced hacks like lounge access. For travelers who want to feel better and spend less, this is the foundation of a smart airport routine. Number 4. Use lounges more strategically without status. A long layover can become productive downtime. Many travel credit cards like Amex Platinum and Chase Sapphire Reserve include priority pass memberships that unlock hundreds of airport lounges worldwide. Even without a premium card, you can buy single visit passes through apps like Lounge Buddy, often for less than $35. Pricing is dynamic and sometimes dips lower during off-peak hours. The process is simple. Search for your airport in the app, check real-time availability, and purchase instant access with a few taps. Inside, you will find fast Wi-Fi, complimentary food and drinks, showers, and quiet workspaces. That calm is a stark contrast to crowded terminal gates. For the cost of a single overpriced sandwich and coffee in the main concourse, you get a comfortable seat, reliable power outlets, and a chance to recharge before your next flight. This approach turns unpredictable delays into valuable downtime and makes every hour at the airport count. Number 3. Tracking checked bags with a small GPS tracker has become a game changer for travelers worried about lost luggage. Devices like Apple AirTag or Tile, slipped discreetly into a suitcase, allow travelers to pinpoint a bag's location within seconds using a smartphone app. CETA's 2024 report found that airlines mishandled 6.9 bags per 1,000 passengers, but bags equipped with trackers are recovered up to 30% faster. If a bag is delayed or misrouted, the app displays its last known position, sometimes even before airline systems update. This real-time visibility means baggage agents can act quickly, cutting days off the search process and reducing stress for the traveler. However, it is critical to check airline policies before packing a tracker. Carriers like United, Alaska, Lufthansa, and Emirates prohibit battery-powered trackers in checked luggage because of lithium battery regulations, though most allow them in carry-on items. For those flying with airlines that permit them, a $25 tracker can prevent hundreds in replacement costs and hours of uncertainty. Always verify your carrier's rules before departure and place the tracker in your carry-on if there is any doubt. With mishandling rates still significant worldwide, this simple step adds an extra layer of security to every journey. In second place, shipping heavy or overflow items instead of checking them with your airline can lead to major savings, often between $50 and $150 per trip. Airlines collected $3.2 billion in bag fees in 2023, with second-checked bags or overweight luggage routinely costing travelers $100 to $200 each way. By contrast, shipping a 20-pound box with USPS Priority Mail or UPS typically runs $40 to $60 for domestic routes, and it can be even less if you send it ahead by ground. For example, mailing a 20-pound box from New York to Los Angeles via USPS Priority costs about $55, while Delta or United charge $100 for a second bag and up to $200 for overweight. The math is clear: shipping can be 50 to 70% cheaper for the same weight. This approach works especially well for souvenirs, shopping hauls, or bulky gear you do not need immediately. For frequent flyers, it is a practical way to avoid surprise fees and keep travel budgets under control. And finally, in first place, finding your gate first, then relaxing is the move that separates stress-free travelers from the rest. After clearing security, walk directly to your departure gate before doing anything else. Major airports such as Dallas-Fort Worth and Atlanta can require 20 to 40 minutes to reach a distant gate, especially when terminal layouts are sprawling or when shuttles are involved. By confirming your gate location and double-checking the actual boarding time, you eliminate the risk of misjudging distance and missing final calls. Only once you have verified your gate should you explore shops, grab food, or settle in. This simple discipline anchors every other airport hack, ensuring you are always in control, even if last-minute changes or long walks threaten your schedule. For frequent flyers, this habit closes the loop, turning airport chaos into a predictable routine. Across all 15 hacks, one pattern stands out. The smartest travelers treat airports as systems to master, not endure. Each strategy turns unpredictable hassles into manageable choices, proving that preparation beats privilege in modern air travel. In a world where every minute and dollar counts, these habits are the real first-class upgrade. Which will you add to your routine? Let us know in the comments below.